Hello everyone, it's me Krasimir Panayotov. Welcome back to my channel with another video today. Today I want to pay special attention to one of my favorite trading patterns. It's a formation pattern called Symmetrical Triangle or just Triangle. So this is pattern which gives very high probability opportunities for traders. So I really want to share this information for you and to educate those who are new to the trading, those who have never heard about this pattern. Okay, so what are the forex patterns? Basically the forex patterns are cycles in the market which are repeating again and again, and which you can find on every single time frame, on every single pair. This is very important to know. And why they work so well? Because as the psychology of the humans are predictable, so and these patterns are predictable. Maybe not that much the patterns, but the outcome after the break of this pattern. So let me show you guys what I mean in real life trading. So right here right now in front of you I have the USD JPY daily chart, and when we switch to the 4-hour chart, we will see that the price started creating this triangle shape. So this is our triangle pattern. So we have the height of the pattern, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 waves. We need only 5 to have this pattern, but we already have 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and even now a 7 wave. So this is very clear pattern, and the outcome of this pattern after we break above or below will be straight to this point here or straight down to this profit zone right here. But how do we know this? How can we trade this? I will share with you guys. Okay, so you need 5 waves in this pattern. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and usually on the 6th wave it breaks the triangle pattern. So on the 6th wave, if it breaks this trend line right here, let's say it closes here like it did in this current price, you see how the price closed under the trend line. Okay, so better it to be a little bit more significant, like to close somewhere here. This would be much better signal. But when we break the line, we have a chance the price to go back and retest the same line again, and from there to go down, strongly down. How much? They take the beginning of the triangle, so the height of the beginning of the triangle, and they just apply it after the breakout. Okay, like this. So you take profit somewhere here at the end of this whole high. Well, you can use here on this example, maybe it's better to take this high over here because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves, and on the 6 we are breaking. So maybe this is even better example. Let's say this is the height from here to here, and when we apply it, we have almost the same range, so we have to take profit somewhere here. This is how I trade the triangle pattern. So what is important? We to have 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the 6th wave it breaks. Sometimes it can be more waves, but this is the minimum that you need to have for the triangle pattern. There are some patterns with 3, with 4 waves, which are not triangle, and they are traded differently. So what if the price breaks above? Well, we can chase the same target. So we take the height. We take the height of the triangle, we apply it, and we take profit somewhere here in this area. So this is it, guys. This is pretty much how we trade it. So we wait for a breakout above or below the triangle shape, and after this valid breakout we can expect this movement. Let me show you another triangle pattern right now today appearing on gold. So what do we have here? The price went strongly up to the top and then it sold off and started creating these waves up and down, the consolidation right here in a triangle pattern. We have one wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave, and after this it's time for the sixth wave, which leads us out of the triangle. So this is what I personally expect from this pair, the gold USD. So you see here already the price is breaking through the resistance, and see guys how we trade this pattern. After the break we expect a move as big as is the height of the triangle in the beginning. So we take the high, we apply it, and we take profit somewhere here. So this is exactly what we are doing. We measure the high, we apply it, and we take profit on this level right here. So the other way you can do it is just you take the lower line, you apply it from the beginning of the pattern right here, and you see exactly how much is the height of the pattern. So you again look for profit somewhere here in this zone. Okay guys, so I repeat again, we need a valid break above or below. You know, here the price could just went below and start breaking these support zones right here, and if we break below the triangle pattern, we just take the height of the pattern, we apply it down, and we see where we can take profit. And this is actually a very good profit zone, because you can see it was a resistance in the past and support, so this is probably the best zone to take. And if you see in the past the price stopped multiple times here, maybe even here is the best. Let's see on the weekly. Okay, let's make this a little bit longer so we can see how the price moved on the weekly. And yes, you can see that this was a resistance in the past, so this is a good zone. So if the price broke below the triangle like this, here would be a great target profit area for taking profits on this trade. But for now, we can see that the triangle is trying to break above. Well, we still don't know. We still can see a pushback to the support zones right here, and from there we can expect or another push to this a resistance, or a break, or a consolidation before the final break. Okay guys, this is all about this pattern. You can see, you can find a lot of information in the internet about it. You can read about it. You can set your stop loss somewhere here or under the triangle, because if the price goes back and retests the support, it will not stop you out because your stop is here. So from here it can bounce back up to our target zone right here. So right now it's very safe if we see a valid break to take profit somewhere here, because this was the ultimate high, very strong resistance zone. So what else the price can do right here is go up to this resistance zone right here, and from there make a retest of the triangle, and only then head higher to these upper resistances. Okay guys, this is pretty much how I trade this pattern. I wish you a successful week. Don't give up on your tradings. Keep pushing forward and make this forex money. I love you. See you in the next videos. Peace.